Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera kepada semua pelajar tingkatan 4, okay, Form 4 Chemistry. Okay, today we will learn about the chapter 8, not learn, but we have the groups from for Gamma to present the chapter 8 for the manufacture substance in industry. Okay, so you have your presentation, PowerPoint presentation, and also you have your exercise. Okay, I given you last day. Okay, so in this chapter, okay, what will you learn? Okay, first, alloy and its importance. Second, composition of glass and its use. Composition of ceramics and composition materials and its importance. So we go to the first group for the alloy and its important. Okay, in alloy, okay, kita lihat, okay, at the end of the lesson, okay, here today, student should be able to describe briefly about the alloy, okay, with the example, compare the properties, and also justify the usage of the based on their chemical composition and properties. Okay, so kita mula dengan kumpulan yang pertama. Okay, so today I have Amirul and the members. Alloy and is important. Okay, so Amirul, boleh start?
Assalamualaikum and good morning. So our group will present the first subtopic of this chapter. 8.1 is alloy and its importance. So what is alloy? Alloy is a mixture of two or more elements where the main element is metal.
Example of alloy is bitter, stainless steel, duralumin, brass, steel, and bronze.
So this is the table of the comparison between alloy and also the pure metal. For the surface, alloy has a shiny surface, while the pure metal has a dull surface. For the resistance to corrosions, alloy has a resistance to corrosion, which is a hard to be correct, and pure metal is easily to be correct. For the hardness, alloy has a hard structures, and the pure metal has a less hard structures. So this is the structures of the atoms. So atoms found in the pure metal are same in size. The metal atoms are arranged orderly in layers. The layers of atom in the pure metal slide easily when the force is applied. So pure metal is a ductile.
Pure metal contains atoms of a single element, and then some empty spaces exist in the structure of a pure metals. Then metal atoms move easily to fill the empty spaces when the force is applied. Thus, a pure metal is malleable. Weaknesses of pure metals: soft, ductile, malleable, low, and lastly is low resistant toward corrosion.
Alloy contains two or more elements, metal or no metal. Porous atoms are different in size compared to the atoms in pure metal. The pressure of atoms of different size disrupt the orderly arrangement of the metal atom. Atoms in an array are not arranged orderly. Layers of atoms are prevented from sliding over each of the other when a force is applied. Thus, an array is not ductile and not variable.
So this is the uses of alloy based on their composition and properties. So for the first one is duralumin. For the duralumin, the uses we can use for the body of aeroplane, electric cables, and racing bicycle. Right. So for the composition, it contains 93% of aluminium, 3% copper, 3% of magnesium, and 1% of manganese. So for the properties, it is stronger than pure metal, low density, and doesn't rust. So for the second one is bronze. Bronze, the composition of bronze is 90% of copper and 10% of tin. The properties is stronger than pure copper. It doesn't rust and also shiny. So for the uses of bronze is for making of medals, monuments, and also trophy.
For the brass, the composition is 70 bronze, 13 tin, 30% tin, and the property is stronger than pure copper, doesn't rust, shining, and user is musical instrument, throw note, and the key.
For steel, the composition is 98% of iron, 0.2 until 2% of carbon. The properties is the carbon steel, malleable, types is low carbon steel, average carbon steel, and high carbon steel. The uses is for structure of buildings, railway track, and body of cars. For stainless steel, the composition is 73% of iron, 18% of chromium, 8% of nickel, and 1% of carbon. The properties is stronger than poor iron and resistant to corrosion. Uses is cutlery, zinc, and surgical instrument. For pewter, the composite is 95% of tin, 3.5% of antimony. The properties is stronger than protein and doesn't rust.
Okay. Thank you for these groups. Good jobs. Okay. The cooperative is very good from this group. Okay. So thank you this alloy. Okay. Alloy and it's important. Okay. Pertama you must know about the definition. Okay. The definition alloy is a mixture. Okay. Maksudnya dia dah mix. Maksudnya dia dah campur. Okay. Mixture of two or more elements where the main element is a metal. Okay, selalunya, okay, selalu, okay, in a pure metal, okay, in our pure metal, okay, pure metal, kita punya structure adalah seperti ini. Okay, seperti ini. This is a pure metal. The same size of the metal, okay, nampak? Same size. So, bila same size, when we apply the forces, so it easily to slide over each other. But in alloy, when the ferrous atom, okay, ferrous atom include in the structure of the pure metal, so it not easily to slide over each other. Okay, so that is a difference between pure metal and a alloy. Okay, so in this chapter, you must remember. So tak ada pilihan lah. So mesti ingat. Okay, mesti ingat. Okay, so aluminium, what the composition, what the uses. Kadang-kadang the question ask you, dia bagi gambar aeroplane. So aeroplane, okay, what the making of from the aeroplane. So aeroplane.
Boleh?
Okay.
Bagi apa?
Alloy. Okay, so the other alloy to making the body of aeroplane, that is a aluminium. Boleh. Pergilah. Okay. Okay, sorry anak saya. Okay, so nak tak nak kena remember. Dan satu lagi popular question macam inilah. Kenapa dia kata pure alloy is more stronger than a pure metal. Okay, so itu sahaja. Okay, thank you for this group. Tapi ada tak group ni bincang tentang superconductor? Tak ada Okay,
Not yet.
Ni tertinggal lagi satu. Okay, superconductor. Okay, what is superconductor? Okay, ini contohnya maglev train. Yang mana maglev train ni superconductor do not have electrical resistance. Ya.
Cikgu tengah present yang di end ni je. Tak nampak pula yang cikgu present yang superconductor semua tu.
Allahu Akbar. Itu kat slide saya. Okay, patutnya cikgu ambil yang satu lagi ni. Sekejap ya nak. Okay. So, tapi nanti kalau you tengok kat YouTube ada keluar buku teks. Okay. So, superconductor do not have the electrical resistance at very low temperature. Okay, this alloy is used to make the magnet that can levitate the train and move it at very high speed. So, dia antara dia punya landasan tu, okay, landasan dia dengan dia punya bawah train tu, dia diperbuat daripada superconductor. Is made from the superconductor. So, superconductor ni dia tak ada resistance. Okay, zero resistance. So, nanti dia tidak akan bergeser lah. So, tak ada geseran. Bila tak ada geseran, so akan smoothly untuk dia bergerak. Okay. So, we go to the next group that is a composition of glass and it use. Okay, which group? Okay, 8.2 composition of glass and it use. Okay, Amma and the gang.
For 8.2, composition of glass and incisors. The basic properties of glass is hard but brittle, electrical and heat insulator, transparent, waterproof, and chemically inert. The type of glass is fused silica glass, Si2, requires high temperature, 100 Celsius, high melting points, not expand nor contract when there is a large change of temperature, suitable to make telescope lens. For the second glass is soda lime glass, Si2 plus Na2CO3 and CaCO3. And Na2CO3 lower the melting point of SiO2, low melting point around 1000 Celsius, easily molded and used to make glass containers such as bottles and jugs. Cannot withstand high temperatures and easily crack. Borosilicate glass, SiO2 plus Na2CO3 plus CaCO3 and Al2O3. It used for the laboratory glassware, beakers and flasks, resistant to heat, do not crack easily when subjected to thermal stress because low expansion. Can be removed from the refrigerator and heated immediately without cracking. For the last glass is lead crystal glass, Si2 plus Na2CO3 plus PbO. Produce glass that is softer and denser, heavier and high refractive index, suitable to making prism.
Okay, that's
That's it.
all.
Yes.
So, you alone, Amma? Where your members?
Alif and Irwan and Farid.
Yang lain tak ada bentang. Not yet. Okay, so thank you, Amma. Okay, for the composition of glass and it use. Okay, untuk kumpulan Amma tadi, okay, very simple presentation. Not include the diagram or picture. Okay, so pelajar dia tak berapa nak menampak sangat lah, Ma. Kalau boleh, kumpulan you all ni kena banyakkan gambar. And then make it simple, like in a table. Okay, Amma? Irwan? Irwan ada ke? Tak ada? Okay, so composition of glass. So, firstly, okay, glass. Biasalah dekat rumah kita ada glass. So, the basic properties dia adalah seperti yang Amma cakap tadi, hard tapi dia brittle, chemically inert. What the meaning of chemically inert? Chemically inert ni kalau kamu minum air dekat dalam tu, air tersebut terlalu berasid kan akan menghakis sikit kan. So, dia tidak akan bertindak balas. Okay, so transparent, waterproof, heat insulator and electrical insulator. Okay, so you must know about the type of the glass. Ini kena ingat. Pun sama macam alloy tadi. So the type of glass you must be remember and it use. Dia guna untuk apa? Okay, fused silica. Okay, so glass ni dia punya main structure dia, composition dia adalah daripada silika. What is silica? Silika tu yang ini. Si2O. Silica. Okay. Silica dioxide. Okay. So soda lime glass. Okay, soda lime glass. And then borosilicate glass. Okay, laboratory glass untuk buat bahan-bahan dalam makmal. Okay, so selalunya kan sebab tu lah dia tahan kepada haba because it made from the borosilicate glass. Okay, and lead crystal glass is made from silica, soda, and lead to oxide. Okay, so silica. Okay, dah habis. That's all for the glass. Okay, we go to the next group. Okay, which group? Okay, the next group is for composition of ceramic and its use. Okay, next.
Okay. Composition of ceramics and its uses. So as you can see, there's a pyramid located in Egypt. It is believed to be made from the ceramic. So a ceramic is a solid made up of inorganic and non-metallic substance produced through the shaping and hardening process, and then by using heating technique in high temperature. So it can made up of metal compound, non-metal compound, and metalloid. For example of ceramic products is aluminium oxide, titanium carbide, and silicon carbide. So the basic properties of ceramic is high thermal resistant, break easily, chemically inert, electrical insulator, hard and strong, heat insulator. So the atom in ceramic are bound by strong covalent bond and ionic covalent bond. Ceramics melt at high temperature. Force is applied, the atom in ceramic cannot slide over. When force is applied, the atom in ceramic cannot slide over each other. These atoms are strongly bound in indefinite arrangement. Ceramics are brittle and weak towards stretching. Electrons in ceramic cannot move freely to conduct electricity or heat. And then for your information, this ceramics is not like glass. It cannot be recycled. Type of ceramics can be classified into two groups. That is traditional ceramics and advanced ceramics. Traditional ceramics are made from clay, such as kaolin. Clay is mixed with water to produce a soft moldable mixture. The mixture is then heated at very high temperature. Generally, traditional ceramics are used to make bricks, pottery, and crockery. Advanced ceramics refers to all the products made from inorganic high-purity compounds through a series of specialized manufacturing processes. Example, break disc and cutting disc. Ceramics is used in medicine, like zirconia ceramic is used in dental implants, aluminium ceramic is used to make knee bone, and also ceramic is used in magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) machines because it has superconductivity properties. For transportation, engine component engine are made from ceramics. And for power productions, ceramic is used to make electrical insulator in high voltage areas such as power stations.
Okay, cantik gambar ni. Okay, thank you for these groups. Okay, so thank you. Okay, so nice presentation from these groups and a lot of information we got. Okay, so we look for the textbooks. Okay, in the textbooks, okay, okay, ceramic is a solid by inorganic. So pernah tak tengok macam dekat Kuala Kangsar? Okay, kita pakai what we call from the clay, labu sayung. Labu sayung, that is a ceramic. Okay, lagi kalau mak kamu punya mangkuk yang kat dapur tu, pernah tak tengok yang mak kamu masak pakai kaca tu? Dia pakai warna putih. Dia boleh masak daripada situ. Itu pun ceramik juga. Pinggan, pinggan yang dapat dali ke Colgate ke, that is a ceramics. Okay, so a lot of the ceramic, bukan sekadar pinggan mangkuk, tapi dia pun ada buat untuk bahan-bahan yang lain. Okay, so ceramics dia punya main composition dia apa tadi? Main composition is aluminium, silicate. This. Okay, for the traditional ceramics, okay, that is a kaolin. Okay, iaitu clay. Yang mana clay ni kita panggil dia kaolin. Okay, so produce soft. Yang ini lembut. Okay. And generally, traditional ceramic are used to make bricks, pottery and... Okay, see, this is an advanced ceramic. Okay, advanced ceramic ni, such as silicon carbide, to make cutting disc. Okay, brake disc ni yang dekat kereta motor, brake disc. Okay, so that's all for the ceramic. This is the example of ceramic, kawan kamu dah bentang tadi. So we go to the composition, material and its importance. Okay, this is Tarani groups. Okay, we show it first.
Okay, 8.4 composite materials and its importance. A composite material, in this subtopic, we have composite materials and its uses, comparison and differences in properties of composite materials and their original components. Next slide, teacher. A composite material is a material made from combining two or more non-homogeneous substances, that is matrix substance and strengthening substance. The matrix substance surrounds and binds the strengthening substance together. For example, before teacher, 2 slides earlier. Some more? Okay. For example, matrix substance. Lignin is a matrix substance. When it combines with a strengthening substance, which is cellulose fiber, it produces a composite material, which is wood. Both components of a composite material have different physical and chemical properties. When combined, the composite material formed has better properties than the original components. Next, we have composite materials and their uses. Composite materials are widely used in the development and advancement of technology nowadays. For example, reinforced concrete. It is used in construction materials for buildings, bridges, and dams. It is strong and high tensile strength and cheap. It is made from a mixture of matrix substance such as cements, pebbles, sand, water, and strengthening substance such as iron or steel bar to produce net, rods, or poles bar. You can refer to the pictures in textbook page 266. Next, we have fiberglass. It consists of a mixture of matrix substance such as plastic and strengthening substance such as a glass fiber. It is a good heat and electrical insulator. It's used in the manufacture of car bumpers, helmets, printed circuit boards, and apparel for firefighters. Next, we have photochromic glass. Photochromic glass is made from silica, which is a matrix substance, and mixed with silver chloride and copper chloride, which is a strengthening substance. Formation of silver atoms darkens the glass, and copper chloride catalyzes the reverse process. This glass is dark when exposed to a bright light and becomes transparent again in dim light. Photochromic glass is used for building windows, windshields of vehicle, and camera lenses.
Optical fiber consists of 3 layers, such as silica glass fiber, it's a strengthening substance, which is the core component. Glass or plastic, which is a cladding layer, it's also the matrix substance. Plastic, that is acts as protective jacket matrix substance. Allows information or data to be transmitted in the form of light at high speed. It also known as light speed. Light moves in optical fiber in a series of total internal refraction. Other than that, optical fiber able to carry data in a large capacity and not affected by electromagnetic disturbance. And it can be used as a medium in telecommunications and computer networks, which is local area networks, LAN, video cameras, and closed circuit television, CCTV. Next. To next. Superconductors is a material that allows transmission of electrical current without any resistance at a very low temperature. Other than that, it's made from various components such as yttrium, barium, copper oxide, YbCO, trimmic. Composite materials that have superconductivity properties other than alloys. It's used to make superconductors magnets that are light and have strong magnetic force. Superconductor magnets are used in particle accelerators and involved in magnetic resonance imaging (MRI) machines, nuclear magnetic resonance (NMR) machines, and electrical generators. Right. Now we are going in the comparison and difference in properties of composite materials and their original components. So first we're starting with reinforced concrete. So reinforced concrete, concrete has high compression strength, low stretching strength, and resistant to corrosion, while the steel bar or wire mesh consists of high stretching strength and easy to corrode. So when these two combine together, it produces reinforced concrete. Reinforced concrete consists of high compression strength, high stretching strength, and resistant to corrosion. Next slide. Fiberglass has plastic that is durable, low stretching strength, resistant to corrosion, and low electrical and heat conductivity. And it has glass fiber, high stretching strength, low heat and electrical conductivity. So when these two mix up together, it produces fiberglass that is durable, high stretching strength, resistant to corrosion, and electrical and heat insulator.
Optical fiber has high compression strength, although the original component that is glass fiber is weaker. Plastic properties: high compression strength and flexible. Glass fiber, low compression strength, hard but brittle. Optical fiber, high compression strength and flexible. Photochromic glass. Glass is transparent and does not absorb UV rays. Silver salt crystals such as silver chloride (AgCl) is transparent to visible light and absorbs UV rays at the same time. Glass, transparent, does not absorb UV rays. Non-sensitive to light. Silver chloride, transparent to visible light, absorbs UV rays, sensitive to light intensity. Photochromic glass, transparent, absorbs UV rays. The observation of UV rays depends on light intensity. Cikgu next.
Ini dah ke? Belum kan? Oh, dah kan? Ulang lagi. Okay, superconductor.
Superconductor. YbCO ceramics. Yttrium carbonate, copper 2 carbonate, barium carbonate, oxygen. High electric resistance at a room temperature. Superconductor, no electric electrical resistant at very low temperature. The end.
Okay, thank you for these groups. Okay, so nice presentation. Okay, thank you for all groups. Okay, so we look for textbooks. Okay, thank you. Okay, ada spelling yang salah sikit tadi ya. Optical, you tulis optimal. Okay, so composite material and it's important. Okay, pernah tak tengok? Okay, kalau macam orang construct the buildings, okay, dia akan letak simen, tengah simen tu dia akan letak steel bar. Okay, tengah-tengah tu. Kalau tak ada tengah-tengah tu, confirm. Okay, bangunan tersebut tak berapa tahun saja dia akan roboh. Okay, why? Because this is we call composite materials. Okay, so composite materials, okay, that is a strong and steady yang mana dia ada matrix substance and strengthening substance. So bila dicampur dua ni, we call the composite materials. Okay, so in a reinforced concrete, helmet, like a fiberglass. Okay, fiberglass, optical fiber. Optical fiber ni yang bagus ni. Okay, yang sekarang kita pakai internet. Okay, that is we call optical fiber. Okay, optical fiber. Okay, cable in a computer, video camera, CCTV. Okay, wayar LAN. Okay, LAN wayar. Okay, photochromic glass. Pernah tak lihat kalau ada orang yang pakai spek, yang mana daripada jauh you nampak dia macam pakai spek hitam. Itu yang kita pakai photochromic glass. Mahal sikit lah. Mahal sikit lah. Dalam kelas kita ada ke? Saya rasa tak ada kot. So kalau awak nampak orang yang pakai itu, okay, that's mean he use the photochromic glass. Okay. So, camera lens, buildings and car window. Buildings ni, selalu kalau orang car window, buildings ni orang buat apa weh? Yang hitam. Itu what we call? Apa? Tinted. Good. Tinted. Kita pakai tinted. Tinted, that is a photochromic glass. Thank you, Muaz. Okay, so superconductor macam yang kumpulan alloy tadi. So, superconductor low resistance. So, we use at MRI and MR. Okay. So, the comparison. Okay. So, comparison, concrete, steel bar. Okay, dua ni bila campur, we call reinforced concrete yang mana dia lagi kuat. Okay, lagi stretchable and resistant to corrosion. Okay. So, plastic matrix pun sama. We use as a fiberglass. For the optical fiber, okay, fiberglass, plastic and glass fiber. Optical fiber, plastic and glass fiber. So, ini ada dia punya properties masing-masing. Okay. So, this is a photochromic glass and silver chloride. Okay, superconductor. This is for superconductor. No electrical resistance to the low temperature. Okay, so that's all for the chapter 8. So, kita dah habis. Tahniah semua. Terima kasih kepada semua pelajar. Okay, we go look for our exercise. Okay, take rest 5 minit. Okay, sila ambil kertas yang cikgu bagi semalam. Okay, kita cuba jawab soalan sekarang. Okay. So, alloy dan kepentingannya. Okay, Perlis 2021. Okay, what the question I give you, this is the past year trial question 2021. Okay, hanya objektif saya bagi awak buat masa ni. So, nanti akan datang, akan ada banyak lagi. Okay, so tolong simpan elok-elok. Minggu depan kita bindkan sama-sama. Okay, so we must a lot of exercise. Mesti kena banyak. Okay. So, Perlis 2021. Which of the following show the arrangement of the atom in a alloy? Ainin. What the answer, Ainin? Which one alloy? Ainin tak ada. Gianni? Huda, semua hilang.
B.
Okay, this is the alloy. Macam mana alloy? Okay, alloy is a orderly arrangement. Not orderly arrangement. Okay, have a different size of the atom. Okay, different size of the atom, tapi dia kena susun rapat. Kenapa A ni salah? Sebab dia tak susun rapat. Kenapa C salah? Sebab dia tak susun rapat. D susun rapat, tapi this is a pure metal. Okay, so we go to this question. Okay, which of the following diagram is a bronze? Which one? Yang mana satu? Confirm that is a bronze tu alloy. So which one is alloy? Amirul?
D.
B ke D?
Dadu.
Dadu. Okay, thank you Amirul. Dadu. So this is a particle in bronze. Okay, pandai. Okay, diagram 3 show the arrangement of atoms in bronze. Okay, what the function of stannum? Okay, stannum ini adalah foreign atom. Muaz, what the function of stannum?
Sekejap.
Tak apa. Take your time. Stannum is foreign atom, atom asing. So, apa fungsi atom asing dalam alloy? Untuk Wow, how about the slide over each other?
Yeah.
Ah,
Maknanya to reduce the layer from sliding easily.
good. To reduce the layer of copper atom from sliding each other. Okay, thank you, Muaz. Okay, so this is the railroad tracks should be made of hard and strong material to prevent the unwanted accidents due to problem on the tracks. Which combination is more suitable? So, buat untuk railroad. Railroad ni apa? Landasan kereta api. Landasan kereta api nak buat daripada apa? Landasan kereta api. Any idea, class?
Steel.
Steel. Steel, what the composition of steel? Okay, steel. Which one is steel? Steel, iron and carbon. So, Muaz. Mana satu? Iron and carbon. That is a donkey. Okay, tulis kat sini. Steel. Okay, so diagram show the arrangement of atom in pure metal and alloy when a force is applied. Okay, so kita apply kat sini. So, which of the following most accurately describe the properties of pure metal and alloy? Anyone? Farah? Farah ada? Ama, jawab Ma. Oh, ada. Okay, so B. Pure metal is ductile compared to a alloy. So, you look here. So, when a force is applied, so in a pure metal, it easily to slide over each other. Okay, compared to the in a alloy. Because alloy have a foreign atom, it disrupt the orderly arrangement of the pure metals. Okay, so Johor. Diagram 15 show the cross-section pattern of Damascus steel sword, which hardness is famously known. Okay, which of the following is correct about the hardness? Ama? Oh, Ama. Ama ada. Which the answer, Ama? Damascus ni, so bila dikata hard, so maksudnya that is a make from the alloy. So, which one the properties of alloy?
D.
D. Okay, good. D. Foreign atom disrupt the orderly arrangement of pure atoms. Okay, next. Okay, steel is used in manufacture of steel. Steel tadi apa? What the manufacture of steel? Shafika? Steel, Shafika? Which one, Shafika?
A, 1 and 2.
Okay, 1 and 2, buildings and a car. Okay, next, the purity of gold alloys is measured units and carat. Okay, 24 gold, gold is a pure gold. So Aminah dia kata dia nak hobi dia extreme sports. So which goal yang sesuai untuk dia? Ainin?
A.
A. Kenapa A? Because? Sebab the goal part dia adalah rendah. Okay. Anak-anak semua. Emas. Awak ada emas tak? Rantai emas ke? Gelang emas ke? Okay, emas. Awak tengok. Emas. Gold 916. Gold 999. Gold 556. Okay. That is a percent of the gold. 916. Emas 916 adalah emasnya mengandungi 91.6% of gold. So the others, that is other metals. So that's mean kalau you pakai 100% of the gold, so maksudnya gold awak tu akan sangat lembut. Saya pernah hari tu saya punya cincin saya 999. So kita kerja lasak kan? Kerja lasak dia kemek sikit je dah kemek. So that is a 999 punya emas. Okay, so Aminah ni dia nak buat extreme sport. So yang sesuai adalah 18K. Okay, which of following are ferrous atom of the alloy? Ini nak buat apa? Alat pembedahan. Alat pembedahan. Amirul, apakah jawapannya Amirul? Sebelum tu saya nak tanya, what the alloy? To making the what? Alat pembedahan. Alamak, kenapa dia ke bawah? Amirul?
Stainless steel.
Stainless steel. Are you sure stainless steel? Ya, okey. Kalau tengok dekat sini, mana pula saya punya nota ni? Okey. So, stainless steel. Betul ke stainless steel, sayang?
Ya.
Ya, stainless steel. So, surgical instruments. Okay, next. Okay, next. Okay. Bronze is harder than pure copper. Which statement exactly explain phenomena above? Jianing, the answer is?
Sekejap, cikgu.
Okay. So, why? Because the presence of what?
B.
The presence of ferrous atom in bronze disrupt the orderly arrangement of pure copper.
Donkey.
Donkey. The presence of ferrous atom in bronze reduce the pure copper atom from the slide over each other. Okay. Terengganu. Alloy X is made by mixing iron with carbon, chromium and nickel. Okay, which one? The alloy?
D.
D. Stainless steel. Okay, gambar kapal terbang. Kapal terbang nak buat apa? To make an aeroplane. That is a... Tengok buku teks.
Duralumin.
Ya, duralumin. Famous juga ke duralumin. Nampak? SBP pun dia tanya lagi. Duralumin is used in manufacturing of body of aeroplane. Duralumin buat daripada apa? Aluminium, confirm. Lagi? Satu lagi? Magnesium.
Copper.
Copper tak ada dalam list. So, magnesium and aluminium. So, donkey. Okay. Glass. The main element present in a glass. That is a... So, kalau present dalam glass, that is adalah silika kan? Silika adalah silicon dioxide. So, main component dia adalah silicon. Okay. Silicon. Semua kena ingat ya. Silicon. Okay. Diagram 12 show a telescope. Okay. Teleskop. Apa? Glass dia. Amirul, jawapan?
Fused silica glass.
Fused silica glass. Okay, next. Diagram 4 shows item made from a type of glass. Which glass? This is a laboratory glassware. So, apa dia? Ainin?
Ya, cikgu.
Okay.
Kaca.
Kaca, glass.
Soda lime glass.
Salah.
Ah,
Ah.
borosilicate glass.
Borosilicate glass. Okay. So, perlis. So, in order to produce a glass that is more resistant to heat and chemicals, substance X is added to soda lime glass. Apa yang dimasukkan dalam soda lime glass tu? Nak bagi dia lagi kuat. That is a... Jovisha, are you there? Borosilikat dia letak apa? Boron oxide. Nampak tak ni? Yang cikgu tunjuk tadi ni. Ni. Boron oxide. Boron oxide ni dimasukkan ke dalam ni untuk bagi dia lagi kuat. Okay. So, next. Negeri Sembilan. Okay, yang mana dia kata betul? Which one is correct? A, B, C, D. A, fused glass. Soda lime glass betul ke buat make laboratory glassware? Soda lime buat apa? Soda lime buat apa? Kena ingat ya.
Glass for window.
Glass for window. Lead crystal glass? Buat prisma kan? Making prisma yang ni. Borosilicate untuk laboratory glassware. So, kena tahu ya. Kalau boleh, you conteng kat kertas tu, you buatkan dia punya cross ni. Mana yang jawapan dia yang betul. At least ada info dalam you punya question. Okay, which class is correctly? Sekali lagi dia tanya. Okay, which one? Crystal. Crystal tadi prisma kan? So, that is a lead glass. Fused silica glass tadi buat teleskop punya glass kan? Soda lime buat apa tadi? Soda lime buat apa tadi? Soda lime buat glass container ya? Borosilikat buat laboratory glassware. So, kena tahu ya. Cikgu soal je you dapat jawab. Gitu. Kena ingat. Okay. When silica is heated together with other chemicals, various glass with different properties are produced yet have the same basic properties. Which following is basic properties? So, glass. That is a waterproof or not? Yes, that is a waterproof. Good. Kedah. Okay, this is the photochromic yang cikgu cakap. Yang you punya spike, bila nampak daripada jauh, dia warna gelap. So which one? So, dia akan menghasilkan atom of silver. Okay, so which one? Silver. So, that is a B. Okay, from the ion silver, accept the electron to produce atom of silver. Okay, next. Okay, this is Johor. Okay, what is jenis kaca? Ini apa? Laboratory glassware. So, that is a made from borosilicate. Okay, ceramic. Okay, what the component? Main component. That is a
aluminium silicate.
Aluminium silicate. Okay, next. Diagram 9 show the formation of composite materials. Okay. Why reinforced concrete is used to build buildings and bridge compared to concrete? Why? Because that has Amirul jawapan. Ha. Tengok balik nota yang tu. Muaz, jawapan Muaz. Pang, mana Pang? Dah hilang.
C.
C. Okay, thank you Pang. Has higher tensile resistance. Okay, Terengganu. Okay, this is buat apa tadi tu? Helmet. Okay. Material show the diagram. Composite material. Why this class is choose to make the material? Why? Because Farid, jawapan Farid. Tak ada. A, durable. Okay, tahan lasak. Okay, thank you Farid. Okay, so Kelantan. Okay, this is to make a break disc and cutting disc. Okay, due its strong, hard, thermal shock resistant and high resistant to heat. What is a X? Pang, answer.
Silicon carbide.
Silicon carbide. Thank you, Pang. Okay, Selangor. The following information is about substance Z that is used in bullet train. That is Farid. A. Superconductor. Thank you, Farid. Okay, SBP, substance S is used to make a break disc and cutting disc. Okay, which following statement explain why substance S is suitable for the okay, which one? A. Substance S has low thermal expansion coefficient. Okay, Negeri Sembilan. What is R? Dia buat matrix dia adalah plastik and the strengthening substance silica glass. Which one?
Optical fiber.
Optical fiber. Nampak jam ni? Okay, transmit information and data in the form of light. That is a optical fiber. Yang wayar LAN tadi, CCTV tadi. Okay, habis dah kelas kita hari ni. Okay, are you satisfied for this class? Okay,
Yes.
boleh? Can? Okay, so class, okay, please doing, okay, my exercise given to you for the salt, acid base and salt. Okay, please doing in this weekend. Okay, for the next week, we will go through the rate of reaction. Okay, thank you class. So, sekejap